Assalamu alaikum. Hello students of class 9 business studies. I hope you are doing well. This is Mohammad Mohiuddin Sarkar, lecturer in chemistry, English medium morning shift, Rajaguttara Model College. Now I am going to talk about the remaining topic of chapter 6. The topic name are manufacturing yarn, rubber and plastic. Let's start. Manufacturing yarn from fiber. So the first step is collection of fiber. Collection of fiber is the first step for all fibers, which differ from fiber to fiber. If we consider the natural fiber like cotton, first of all, corpus fruit is collected from plants and seed is separated from the cotton. This process is known as ginning. The fiber obtained from ginning is called cotton lint. And then spinning. Spinning is carried out in a spinning mill. In this system, a particular type of fiber is used because the steps involved in spinning process vary based on the nature of the fiber. Then blending and mixing. In this system, fiber is then broken down into a smaller fragment by the using of blending system. And then the cotton of various grades are mixed together. And this is called mixing system. After that, carding and combining. Carding and combining is the second step of spinning. This step is applicable to cotton, linen and wool based on the characteristics and length of fibers. The machineries used in the process vary. Very small fibers are not suitable for yarn manufacturing and they are discarded. And by the following of this process, then we will get yarn. So this is the process of yarn manufacturing from fiber. Now preparing silk from silk fiber. The first step of silk manufacturing is the production of cocoon from silkworms. Matured cocoon is boiled in soap water in an iron pan. When the skin is separated, one end of the fiber becomes visible. A spinning jenny is used for this purpose. When the filaments are grouped together, they stick to each other due to presence of gummy materials in the filaments and a bunch of yarn is produced. So production of yarn from artificial fibers. In this method, a suitable solvent and usually with more than one type of smaller fibers, a concentrated and viscous solution is prepared. This solution is called spinning solution. This solution is passed through a small hole in spinneret, and in this time a chemical is used, which is more suitable for this process. So rubber. What is rubber? Rubber is a material which can stretch and shrink. We know it is also a polymer. So the physical properties of rubber. Rubber is an amorphous solid and insoluble in water and some organic solvents like acetone, methanol. It is white or pale brown colored. Pure rubber does not conduct heat and electricity. But nowadays, some rubber which can conduct heat and electricity. Chemical properties. Rubber shrinks on heating. Rubber is inert in many chemicals. It is degraded in the presence of ozone gas. So we know the molecular formula of ozone is O3. So plastic. What is plastic? Plastics are a group of materials, either synthetic or naturally occurring. that may be shaped when soft and then hardened to retain the given shape. The physical properties of plastic. Plastic is insoluble in water, as like rubber. It does not conduct heat and electricity. Plastics are two types, thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. If we apply heat on a plastic, it melts, and after cooling, it will gain its previous shape. So if a plastic gain its previous shape after heating and cooling, then it is called thermoplastic. Example, PVC, polyvinyl chloride, and if it does not regains its previous shape, then it is called thermosetting plastic. So you can say it is remelted into liquid. It does not remelted into liquid like bakelite. So chemical properties. It is chemically inert. It is combustible. So we will get carbon dioxide and energy from plastic. They are not biodegradable. Used as dental implantation. Role of rubber and plastic in environmental imbalance. Majority of the plastic and synthetic rubbers are not biodegradable. So if they are discharged as waste without recycling, they accumulate in nature and we will face a lots of problems. Moreover, if they are discharged on soil fertility will decreases. Waste plastic or rubber sometimes enters into animal bodies such as cattle, sheep or goat when those animals take grass in field, and they can accumulate in animal flesh and fat. So we can say plastic and rubber play a big role for environmental imbalance. So dear students, if you have any questions, you can write below the comment box. I will try to give your answer. So that's all. Thank you.